the ultimate coffee lover's gift guide. Embark on an exciting journey filled with aromatic blends and exquisite flavors. Whether it's a birthday, anniversary, or just a thoughtful gesture, we've got you covered with a selection of unique gifts that will mesmerize any coffee lover. From premium beans to stylish brewing equipment that will elevate their coffee ritual, our collection is bound to ignite their passion and leave them craving for more. So, join us on this adventure in search of the perfect gift for your beloved coffee connoisseur. In this video, we'll explore an array of gift ideas to excite coffee enthusiasts. Plus, we'll introduce you to some fabulous products from Pact Coffee that will take your gift to the next level. Welcome to our coffee lovers' haven. Today, we'll navigate through the world of coffee gifts. But first, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Now, let's kick it off with a gift that keeps on giving, a Pact Coffee subscription. With a wide array of delectable coffee blends sourced from around the world, your coffee connoisseur will enjoy a premium cup of coffee at home every day. For the true coffee enthusiast, a coffee grinder is a game changer. Grinding coffee beans just before brewing ensures maximum freshness and flavor. Consider gifting a top-notch burr grinder that allows for customizable grind sizes to suit different brewing methods. Now, let's elevate their coffee experience with a comprehensive coffee brewing kit. This kit empowers them to experiment with various brewing techniques, creating their perfect cup every time. For a unique twist, consider coffee-flavored treats. These delectable indulgences, like coffee-infused chocolates, coffee-flavored cookies, or even coffee-infused ice cream, will satisfy both their coffee cravings and their sweet tooth. There's no shortage of coffee accessories that make wonderful gifts. Consider options such as a chic coffee mug, a handy travel tumbler, a grinder brush for pristine grounds, or a fashionable coffee bean storage container. These accessories not only enhance the coffee drinking experience but also add a touch of elegance to their daily routine. Expand their coffee knowledge with coffee-related books and courses. Consider gifting informative coffee books or enrolling them in an online coffee brewing course. Empower them to explore the world of coffee, from history to brewing techniques. Finding the perfect gift for a coffee lover doesn't have to be overwhelming. From a Pact Coffee subscription to a top-tier coffee grinder, a comprehensive brewing kit, delicious coffee-flavored treats, stylish accessories, or coffee education, there's something for every coffee lover. And remember, the joy of coffee isn't just about the beverage itself but also about the experience and passion it brings. So, take your time, choose thoughtfully, and prepare to bring a grin to the face of the coffee lover in your life. Happy gifting and even happier brewing!